right, we're at Hillarosa ATV Park in Blevins, Arkansas. We got Crazy Carl, we got Lil Jace, we got Debbie and Aubrey, and we got Jordan with their brand new Polaris.
We got Jordan and we got Jordine.
Jordan and Jordine.
That's
Jenny.
Jenny.
What's up, Jenny? Look at all those swamp ass stickers. 1, 2. Oh, they have one on the mirror window, but I thought they did. Okay. Oh, we got one right here too. But this is where they host Mud Nationals from now on. We'll see what it's about. Mud Creek was my jam. I love that place, so this place has got a lot to live up to. Isn't that right?
Uh-huh.
That's awesome. Oh my god. Oh, look at Jace. He just... Oh my god. Look at all this. Oh, there you go, Jace.
So cute.
Don't hurt yourself, Jace, please. That's cool. I like that. Oh, shit. Did he? Yeah. Oh, I missed it. Baby boy Luke. Oh, bad boy Luke. Where did I get baby boy from? Oh, this is cool.
I don't like this bridge.
Oh, look at that. That's awesome. Hold on. Oh, oh. What's that? Yeah. So what do you think? You like it?
Yeah.
Does it feel a lot different? Good. Oh, nice. This is a mud, boy. Oh, Carbo, you should have been here, buddy. You would love this. He would have broken so fast. No, you might break him, not me. Oh, look at that. A little sideways action. Uh-oh, 4-wheel drive now. Nice. Look how fat her tires got. Oh. Oh my god. I was about to try that, but look at how freaking big that rut was. Holy crap.
Like frost.
Yeah. Like frost, that's exactly what it's like. Sorry about that. What's that? You good?
I got him.
You got it? Oh, you hit him?
I think so.
Is that it on top of his helmet?
I don't think so. I don't think I hit his head.
No. That's fucking awesome. Oh my gosh. This temperature is fantastic. It feels great. Watch right here. Although I say that until we get into some water.
Right?
It might
I
not.
was gonna say it's perfect now.
Yeah.
Once you're wet, it might not.
Yeah. Look at these. You know, I gotta say, this is kind of cool. I like this part.
It's not super far.
Might need to pull her out. Oh, look at this freaking big old clump of mud.
She's up.
Is she? All right. Hey, you get the Honda all muddy.
I got it right up the back of his neck.
That's freaking. That's freaking awesome. Let me see. I'll see if I can pull her out. Just like that. Yeah. Yep. There's no way she's gonna get out of that. Yeah, I'm gonna go that way. Good idea. Hey, Carl, I'll get you. You keep trying, I'll go around and get you. Do you need the assistance of the tiger tail? Gotcha, buddy. Is it gonna be long enough?
Nope.
Nope. All right.
About 6 more feet.
There you go.
You got it in low?
Yep.
You ready? I'm gonna have to get up on this rut.
Want me to unhook you?
Yeah, I might have to unhook me. Ugh. Ready?
Oh, hang on.
Let me get on there.
Oh, you're fine, you're fine. Actually, see if we can win a second.
All right.
Go and try to pull forward. Go ahead. There you go, you got it. I love it. There you go. Now you can turn it back in. Yeah, that's perfect. There you go. I did that exact same thing you did last time. It's just nasty. All right, gnats.
Yeah.
All right, put it in first gear. All right, go ahead and pull forward. You ready? Go ahead, get on it. There we go. There you go, Jace. Nice. That's freaking awesome. This is some nasty shit. Yeah, he made it just fine. He walked right through it. That's freaking awesome. You get around the face.
No, she got hit him and it closed his visor.
That's awesome. That was good. Good teamwork. Good job. Good job.
We found mud.
Good job, bro. Yeah, we found a little bit of mud.
Mud.
Jace, you liking this?
Keep going.
All right. Yeah, which way are we going? That way? Okay. Oh, dang. That is a little deep. I'm going to put four-wheel drive on.
Not a problem.
I'm going to put four-wheel drive on. Oh my God, where did that come from? Oh shoot.
That one could break a neck. I'm not gonna throw that one.
Jeez, that was bad. Oh my gosh. Uh-oh, what do they got going on? Bless you.
Sorry.
What's it saying?
Trying to figure out the sales.
Oh. Oh, thought the Polaris already had a problem. I was like, right off the showroom floor? Good gosh.
They call that a deer blind because the deer would have to be blind.
The deer tried to take it out. They knocked that damn tree over.
Literally just tie-dyed. What were they even doing?
That is not camouflage.
Oh, blue and dark green is camouflage. Right?
Yeah. It matches everything out here. This is ridiculous. Yeah, this is
I feel like my skin's being moisturized though.
Yeah. Hey, you a little clean? You're a little dirty. Why's your bike so clean? Ah, yes. This is perfect. Well, let me You good? Let's go. You ready? I hope so. It is. Oh my gosh. Good. Oh, whoa, Carl. Good gosh. You liking it? Yeah, a little bit. Yo, nice to try it. You got that nice little roof and everything. Oh, we're good. You need some?
No, I'm fine.
No, we're good. Uh-oh. Carl might need an assist. Yeah, a little stucky poo. Oh, we got it. No, we don't. No, you don't. I forgot it's a Polaris.
More like Polaris.
Oh, Polaris! I like that. Oh, damn.
Your man could never. Look at me.
Get it, Carl!
Should I stand on the other side or something?
Nah, he's good.
That's like my main talent.
That's your main talent. Whoa! Hold on, Carl. Where are you going? Come on. Oh, hold on. All right, come on. Oh, we're coming down now. Oh, you okay? Yeah, ready? Watch. Hold on one second. Let Jordan get out the way real quick. I don't want to get ran over. Oh, whoa. Yeah, this tree's getting all caught up in it. Whoa.
I tried.
I tried. Oh, we will try.
I don't know if there's a bottom.
Yeah, that was bad. Alrighty.
That motherfucker, it was a ballerina.
Yeah, no shit. All right, yeah. Just go slow. Look at a car with the moves. See if we'll even be able to get through this. Let's go backwards. Oh, I think he's stuck too. Hold on. See if you can go forward. Can you go up and to the right? No? Okay. Yeah, put it in first gear and step on that side, and we're gonna push you.
It's pretty solid.
Yeah, that's pretty solid. Right? Good. Good. Hey. What's up? I can winch out. Oh, Jay, unless Jace can pull me out.
Look, you're talking to him. Jace.
Yeah, we can do that.
Right here, son.
Yeah, that's perfect. Can you pull any forward anymore?
Who?
You.
Yeah.
Because I suspect I'm going to get stuck in that rut. Oh, that's... What's that? You got it at low?
Put it forward, back. Go
Reverse? Yeah. And go slow. You don't have to go. Don't pull hard, okay? And be careful. Hey, Jace. Be careful. If she starts going into there, just stop, okay? Oh, hold on, hold on. Hold on. You good? You're welcome. That stuff is nasty. Thank you, Jace. I'm gonna go pull your dad out now. Go ahead. I got a document pulling out the Polaris. It's a little soupy. Yeah, that's true. Ow! Something was stinging the shit out of me. Nice. We're good? Hell yeah.
That's a mud hole right
Yeah, it is. Blup, blup.
I think that's some of the thickest mud I've ever been in.
Yeah, that's pretty thick.
Soupy, I busted my butt. I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get back up.
I mean, look at my tires. I don't have enough speed to clean it up.
Hey, yeah, some speed.
Yeah. Yeah, even you're caked up. That's crazy. Dang, that's crazy.
He slid right off his four-wheeler.
Well, you want a hug? Oh, all right, buddy. All right, we got it. Yeah, no problem.